Step 1. Draw the bird's beak. First, we will take the white paper. Draw the margins, leaving half an inch to draw the margins evenly around the white paper. Every bird has beaks for eating food. Step 2. Draw bird's eyes and eyebrows. Birds see with the help of eyes. So, we will draw the picture of the bird's eye after the beak. Draw a small circle to draw the eyes. Step 3. Draw the wings and the head of the bird. After drawing the eyes and beak, draw a picture of the bird's head. Draw the wings on the body of the bird. Wherever the birds go, their wings fly. Step 4. Draw the bird's wing design, body, and tail. Design the bird's wing shape that looks like a cloud. The lower part of the wing is entirely the body of the bird. Then draw a picture of the bird's tail on the back of the body. Step 5. Draw tree branches and leaves. Draw the tree branch from the right side to the left side of the paper. The right side of the tree branch will be thick and the left side will be light narrow. Draw the leaves of the tree on the right. The bird is sitting quietly on a tree branch. Step 6. Paint the bird's beak and eyebrows. We will color the bird's beak yellow. Then we will give the color eyebrows red. It is very nice to see the beak of the bird given the yellow color. Step 7. Paint the body and head of the bird. We will give green color to the head and body of the bird. Make sure that the green color does not go out of the outline. Step 8. Give the color of the bird's wing with design. We have created 4 types of designs on bird wings. Give it pink in the first part, yellow in the second part, orange in the third part, and light blue color in the fourth part. Paint the lower part of the wing first yellow, then green and yellow, and then pink. Step 9. Paint the tail of the bird. We will give the pink color to the upper part of the bird's tail. Use blue color on the bottom part of the tail. Step 10. Give color to the bird's eye. Like other animals, birds' eyes are black in color. Step 11. Draw the legs of the bird. Paint the branches and leaves of the tree. We will draw the picture of his leg under the body of the bird. The bird is sitting on a branch with its body weight on its legs. Give the brown color to the branches of the tree. Everyone knows the color of the leaves is green. So give green color to the leaves of the tree here. Step 12. Highlight it. Now, we will highlight the picture. With a black marker pen, highlight around the bird. The bird's beak, eyes, wings, tail, legs all highlighted. Highlight tree branches and leaves. The picture is now complete drawing and coloring.